So, our topic is multi-rate digital signal processing, decimation, and interpolation. The multi-rate sampling it is classified into two: upsampling and downsampling. In downsampling, it simply reduces the rate of samples, and in upsampling, it increases the number of samples. Downsampling. Let x of n is input and y of n is output. Then the expression is y of n is equal to x of mn. And we can check for an example. X of n is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, minus 2, 3 and 5. And here m is equal to 2. Then ignore m minus 1 values, that is m minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. The initial value 1 is selected, 2 is ignored, 4 is selected, 6 is ignored, 7 is selected, 9 is ignored, minus 2 is selected, 3 is ignored and 5 is selected. And y of n is equal to 1, 4, 7, minus 2 and 5. And if m is equal to 3, m minus 1 will be 2. Then first initial value is selected and next 2 value will be rejected likewise. And this is the block diagram of downsampling. And the figure below shows the spectrum of downsampling. The first figure shows the spectrum of original signal. And in downsampling we are going to ignore some samples. So this causes the stretching of signals which causes overlapping. In order to avoid this, we are using a low pass filter called anti-aliasing filter, which is used before downsampling. And in order to avoid aliasing process, we are using a anti-aliasing filter. And anti-aliasing process plus downsampling, it is called decimation. Upsampling. In upsampling, the expression is y of n is equal to h of n by L. And we can check one example. H of n is equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, minus 2. And L is equal to 2. Here we are adding L minus 1 number of zeros between the samples. That is, we are increasing the number of samples. Then L minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then y of n is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0. And if L is equal to 3, then L minus 1 will be 2. Therefore, y of n is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0. And this is the block diagram of upsampling. And this is a spectrum of upsampling. The first figure is a spectrum of original signal, and in upsampling we are adding signals, so L minus images are formed in between this. In order to avoid this, we are using an anti-imaging filter after upsampling. And upsampling plus anti-imaging filter process, it is called interpolation. Thank you.